let me first invite all the dignitaries who have graced the occasion onto the stage. May I invite our Honorable Chairperson and Treasurer, Sri M. Madhusudan Reddy Garu, our Honorable Secretary, Sri C. Dashratha Ramireddy Garu, Joint Secretary, Ms. Sandhya Desineni Garu and her son Aniket, Sri Sreyan Garu, son of our Vice President, Sri T. Venkatramareddy Garu, Ms. Maithili Garu, daughter of Sri M. Madhusudan Reddy Garu, onto the dais and occupy the chair. Sri M. Madhusudan Reddy Garu, welcome sir. I request Ms. Neelu with Vibhu to present a bouquet to our Honorable Secretary, Sri Dashratha Ramireddy Garu. Welcome sir. I request Ms. Sandhya along with Sarayu to present a bouquet to our Honorable Joint Secretary, Ms. Sandhya Desineni Garu. Welcome ma'am. I request Ms. Surekha along with Sarayu to present a bouquet to Sri T. Sreyan Garu. Welcome sir. I request Ms. Nida to present a bouquet to Ms. Maithili Garu. Welcome ma'am. I request Ms. Nida to present a bouquet to our secondary school. I wholeheartedly welcome our Honorable Chairperson and Treasurer, Sri Madhusudan Reddy Garu, Honorable Secretary, Sri C. Dashratha Ramireddy Garu, and Ms. Sandhya Desineni Garu, respected Sri T. Sreyan Garu, respected Ms. Maithili Garu, Principals, Ms. Aarti Jairam Puppala Garu and Padmavati Pontu Garu, teachers, parents and all the students on this auspicious day of national reverence. Today is one of those occasions which calls for a welcome speech because we celebrate this big national event, the Independence Day of India. This day is indeed the most auspicious day in the history of our nation as it won back its freedom after 200 years of relentless struggle put in by our great freedom fighters. On this special day, we forget our differences of caste and creed as well as other political discrepancies and come together to revel in the glory of our nation. Within the framework of pandemic restrictions, Sri Vidya Secondary School has organized various programs on this occasion of the 75th Independence Day celebration. Our students and teachers have enthusiastically volunteered for speeches, singing performances and dance performances to celebrate this glorious day. I'm sure all would have a wonderful time with us. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to you all to the celebration of our independence. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you, sir.
आपके शब्दों में नमस्ते, सुप्रभात। सबके दिलों में हो सबके लिए प्यार, सबके दिलों में हो सबके लिए प्यार, आने वाला हर पल लाए खुशियों की बहार। इस उम्मीद के साथ भुला के सारे गम, इस आयोजन का हम आओ करें स्वागत। वेलकम वेलकम। माननीय मुख्य अतिथि नमस्ते, आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी वंदनीय, आदरणीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे छात्रों, आप सभी को अभिनंदन। देशवासियों, आप सबको मेरी ओर से स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। प्रत्येक वर्ष की तरह इस वर्ष भी भारत 15 अगस्त को अपना स्वतंत्रता दिवस बड़े धूमधाम से मना रहा है। इस दिन ही हमारे देश को वर्षों के बाद गुलामी के बाद आज़ादी मिली थी। हम सभी लोग भारत 15 अगस्त के दिन को मिलजुल कर मनाते हैं। हालांकि इस वर्ष कोरोना महामारी फैली हुई है, लेकिन फिर भी स्वतंत्रता दिवस को लेकर हम सब के उत्साह में कोई कमी नहीं आई है, क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स, पुलिस और कर्मचारियों का महायोगदान रहा है, जिसके लिए मैं उन्हें तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ। यह दिन है अभिमान का, माता के मान का, नहीं जाएगा रक्त व्यर्थ वीरों के बलिदान का।
Freedom is in our minds, faith is in our words, pride is in our hearts, and great memories in our soul. Good morning to one and all. On behalf of Sri Vidya Secondary School, I wholeheartedly welcome you all. Today, we all have gathered to celebrate the great national event that is our 75th Independence Day. Independence Day of India is celebrated throughout the country on 15th August every year with great splendor, joy, and respect to our motherland. Let us remind ourselves the duties and responsibilities and the sacrifices of all our freedom fighters. Every year we dedicate this day for our brave heroes who brought independence to our country. This year, let us dedicate it to our frontline warriors who have lost their lives to save the thousands of people from the deadly disease of corona. Doctors, nurses, municipal workers and other medical staff sacrificed their lives to stop the deadly disease. A big salute to all of them. Freedom should not be something you have to deserve it. It is something you should naturally have. Something that no one can take away from you. So let us all celebrate this freedom today. It is a great privilege to have our dignitaries, a chairperson and treasurer, Mr. Madhusudan Reddy Garu, a secretary, Mr. Dashratharam Reddy Garu, a joint secretary, Mr. Sandhya Deshneni Garu and Aniket Garu, T. Shreyan Garu, son of Vice President T. Venkat Reddy Garu, Maithili ma'am, daughter of Madhusudan Reddy Garu. Welcome all of you. It's a privilege to have all of you here. We now begin this momentous occasion with the auspicious flag hoisting ceremony by our guest. I request all the dignitaries to kindly come for the flag hoisting. I request our principal ma'am.
Flag salute.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा हिंद हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलसि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय
places of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition. I now request Shailaja ma'am to recite a poem on the tricolor flag.
ఎగురుతోంది చూడు ఆకాశ వీధుల గుండా మన స్వతంత్ర జాతీయ జెండా ఐక్యతకు చిహ్నంగా త్యాగానికి ప్రతీకగా శాంతికి గుర్తుగా సహనానికి సూచికగా ఎగురుతోంది చూడు భారతీయుల మది నిండా మన మువ్వన్నెల జెండా స్వేచ్ఛకు చోటుగా ప్రేమకు మార్గంగా, ధర్మానికి రక్షణగా, దేశభక్తికి వారధిగా ఎగురుతోంది చూడు దేశ సరిహద్దుల గుండా మన 3 రంగుల జెండా, మన తిరంగా జెండా. జై హింద్.
The heart. Plato once said, music is a moral law. It gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to our imagination, and charm to our life. Let us commence a program invoking the Almighty with a devotional song. I now call upon P. Ritika of grade 9 to start this occasion with the melodious devotional song.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणीशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलाक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसधाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गण्डमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीलाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे देयचरिताय गायगवराय गन्धर्वप्रीगौरी हृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. थैंक यू.
बहुत सुंदर रितिका. हम सब पर गणपति बप्पा की कृपा बनी रहे.
Thank you very much, Ritika. It was a beautiful song. May God bless you the grace to do more songs like this. Dance is the most fundamental form of all arts. Culture is an important part of our lifestyle. Various dance styles are a pride of a culture. Today, to showcase our culture's cultural glory, we have Sarayu of grade 5 performing a traditional welcome dance. Please put your hands together and welcome Sarayu.
इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिंगारों को जलाए रखना, लहू देकर ही है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को दिल में हमेशा बसाए रखना। बड़ा ही आकर्षक स्वागत था शरीयू, धन्यवाद आपका, नन्ही सी लड़की।
Nothing new moves you like music does, be it a melody or a soul-stirring lyrics or a tune that envelops you in its beauty. A song about one's country does so much more. It inspires you and ignites a patriotic fervor. Let's now welcome segment 1 teachers to sing a melodious patriotic song, Bharata Desham Mana Janma Pradesham. This song is a very touching and inspirational song on India by Nirmala Suragangajala Kshetram.
మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం నిర్మల సుర గంగాజల సంగమ క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరివిల్లుల విలసిల్లిన నిలయం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం ఉత్తరాన ఉన్నతమై హిమగిరి శిఖరం దక్షిణాన నెలకొన్నది నిండు సముద్రం తూర్పు దిశ పొంగి పొరలే గంగా సంద్రం పశ్చిమాన అనంతమై సింధు సముద్రం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం ఒకే జాతి సంస్కృతి ఒకటున్న ప్రదేశం రత్నగర్భ పేరుగన్న భారతదేశం ధీర పుణ్య చరితలున్న ఆలయ శిఖరం సత్య ధర్మ శాంతులున్న ప్రేమ కుటీరం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం కోకిలమ్మ పాడగలదు జాతీయ గీతం కొండ కోన వాగు పాడు సంస్కృతి గీతం గుండె గుండె కలుసుకొనిట సమరస భావం చేయి చేయి కలిపితేనే ప్రగతుల తీరం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం
यह तो पता है कि तेलुगु हमारी प्रांतीय भाषा है, जिसका आनंद आप सभी ने अभी भी लिया है।
Thank you very much, teachers. The song was very touching and inspirational. I now call upon my dear friend and colleague, Ms. Nazia Anjum, to kindly speak on this occasion.
A very good morning to all. There is a beautiful saying that nothing is as good as living in an independent and a self-sustaining nation. Honorable Chief Guest and other dignitaries, respected principals, my colleagues and dear students. It's an absolute honor for me to stand here today and speak on this occasion. Independence Day is one of those occasions which we Indians celebrate as a festival. Our nation has gone through many difficulties, including wars, and has emerged as victorious. Today, we are collectively facing COVID-19 pandemic threat that has created global health crisis and has a deep impact on our lives. After 200 years of slavery under the British Empire, it was August 15, 1947. I repeat, after 200 years of slavery under the British Empire, it was August 15, 1947 that India became an independent nation. After many years of struggle where our freedom fighters were hanged, imprisoned and tortured, it is because of their zeal and dedication the passion for nationalism didn't subside and we could see the light of the day. They protected Sone ki Chidiya, the golden bird, which our nation was referred to as due to the abundance of treasure and heritage. It is because of such fighters and jawans we are breathing in an independent nation. This is a day to remember and the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. This is also a day to show gratitude to the security personnel, including that of army, paramilitary and police, ensuring our safety. It will be an unfair not to mention the hard work and dedication of our true Corona warriors who have been at the forefront fighting this pandemic and coming forward voluntarily to extend their helping hand. I would like to express my gratitude to all doctors, nurses, health workers, police officials, municipal workers, revenue officials, NGOs, welfare associations and media for standing strong and shielding us throughout this pandemic time. Independence Day celebrations at schools often means a beautifully decorated campus in ribbons and balloons of the tricolors. Students proudly singing the national anthem and looking forward to present some amazing dance and song performances. But this year also, COVID-19 has shut schools indefinitely and added a twist to the 75th Independence Day celebration. But most educational institutions opted for a virtual route, and patriotism now found a digital expression too. Due to COVID situations, we cannot celebrate this Independence Day with our students at school. Therefore, we have deployed cutting-edge technology to celebrate this important day with our students and their parents. And to keep up the spirit, we have many virtual competitions to channelize the creativity of our students, such as fancy dress competition, singing, dancing based on the independence struggle. We also hosted speak and win competition virtually. Hope children learned a lot through it. Our nation's history is a remarkable one, and we should carry this spirit forward and celebrate the nationalism and patriotism that runs through us and honor our forefathers. Not just today, we must abide by their values of responsibility and courage every day. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Few competitions for the children, and they have done really very well, especially the speak and win competition. Very shortly we'll be having the results also. Reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength and unity that defines the sacrifices. It gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence, and all the things it makes us value and cherish freedom which we have today. I now call upon Vibhudendra Chari of grade 7 to sing a patriotic song.
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये सजाया है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सही, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। हुआ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस मुंह से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ ओ ओ सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरी, जहाँ झूम के बंगिरा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आँख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद घूमे और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ ओ ओ जय हिंद।
आंख में आंसू आ गए। बहुत ही सुंदर विभू। नन्ही सी जान होने पर भी कीर्ति, जोश, उत्साह, उमंग, इतना कि हमारे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए।
A very touching, heart-touching and soulful song. There are no good schools without good principals. It just doesn't exist. And where we have good principals, great teachers come and they stay. They work hard and they grow. May I now invite our principal, ma'am, Ms. Botu Padmavati Garu, who exemplifies a good principal to address and glorify our events of the day. Welcome, ma'am.
A very good morning to the dignitaries, principal, teachers, students and parents. I convey my regard, heartiest regard to all of you on this 75th Independence Day. This day is recognized with national pride and honor with the flag hoisting by our Prime Minister and addressing the nation from Red Fort. This 15th August holds an everlasting place in our national memory and commands the respect of every Indian. On this auspicious day, I would like to pay my tribute to all those heroes, soldiers who fought for unity, integrity, and independence. We are all indebted to our national heroes who had made this country what is today now. As a patriotic citizen, let's put effort in performing civic rights and responsibilities. Our Independence Bill was introduced by British House of Commons on July 4th, 1947, and it was passed within a fortnight, and that paved way for the end of British rule by August 15, 1947. Then the freedom to us has come. We must not forget this day. It is a pride It is a pride for us. Our diversity should not be seen in differences. It's our great strength. It is only by working together that we can build resilient and thriving nation. I hope you all are safe and secure during this pandemic time. The COVID-19 pandemic has altered the normal life of human, and it has paved the way for virtual world of living. The virtual world has come to rescue us. I strongly believe that hope is strength. If we remain united, resolute, and responsible, we can overcome this pandemic situation. For students, we all know that they have to wait till the vaccine is to be. So students, you have to take care of yourselves and in a more precautionary way. It is a duty of every citizen to respect nature and follow certain rules and regulations to make our life in an easy way. I urge to everyone to maintain social distance, wear mask, and avoid the crowded places for the well-being of human beings. Let us all resolute to fight this together for a better, strong living. To ensure the continuity in curriculum, learning from safety of students' home, Ministry of Human Resource Development has given the strategy for the formal school education in online mode. For this, alternative academic calendar was prepared and being followed by all. Digitalization is a boon, but it's also a bane. All the students in this pandemic situation are working hard to overcome the basic challenges like resistance to change, motivation levels of the students, technical skills of the students, to improve the technology and being paced with the technology, students' understanding levels, and the students' presentation. A contemporary education is being imparted in India. A new era of technology is paving way for learning. The traditional teaching and learning method has been radically changed. At Sri Vidya Secondary School, we are dedicated to a student-centered program that promotes academic excellence through an enriched, rigorous, and interdisciplinary curriculum. Teachers and students are working hard hand in hand for the achievement to the next level of greatness. In SVSS, various types of virtual activities for grades levels have been going on in online mode and still yet to come in the future too. I congratulate for all the participants who have taken part actively for all the activities which are going on. Here I want to add few points about national education policy. It's a long-term vision with far-seeing, reaching impact. It will strengthen the culture of inclusion, innovation, and institution in the sphere of education. Imparting education in the mother tongue, in the regional language, will improve the unity among Indians. This will strengthen the Indian languages and as well as the unity of the country. The patience and the wisdom being demonstrated by all gives more confidence for the better future. I congratulate everyone on this 75th Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Stay safe and cautious. Jai Hind. Thank you.
बहुत आभार मैम। मैं आभार प्रकट करती हूँ श्रीमती बी पद्मावती मैम, आपके इन शब्दों से हमें प्रेरणा मिलती है और आपके इस नेतृत्व में विद्यालय का और भी नाम होगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much. Please remember, someone else has prayed for you there. I now call upon Yagneshwar of grade 10 to sing a patriotic song.
कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। सांस थमती गई, नब्ज़ जमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया। कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया। मर्द मरते रहा बागपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत है मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं। हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे, वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं। आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। थैंक यू।
माननीय मुख्य अतिथिगण, मुख्य प्रधानाचार्य, योग्य शिक्षकों, मेरे प्यारे छात्रों, आज आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। जैसे कि हम सभी जानते हैं, आज हम अपने प्यारे भारत के 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस का जश्न मना रहे हैं। हम सभी जानते हैं, यह स्वतंत्रता अनगिनत देशभक्तों के संघर्ष का परिणाम है। आज हम आज़ाद हैं। हम राजनीतिक रूप से शक्तिशाली, आर्थिक रूप से मजबूत और सैन्य रूप से उन्नत है। आज हमारा देश दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र है। हमारा देश दुनिया का सबसे युवा देश है। युवा होने के नाते हम कल के लिए अपने राष्ट्र का भविष्य है। इस आज़ादी के कारण हमें समानता का, शोषण से बचने का, मनचाहे धर्म को अपनाने का और शिक्षा का अधिकार मिला है। पर इन सभी अधिकारों के साथ साथ देश के प्रति हमारा कुछ कर्तव्य भी है। हमें अपने कर्तव्यों को ईमानदारी के साथ निभाना चाहिए। हमें यह नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि हमारा देश दुनिया का दूसरा सबसे बड़ी जनसंख्या वाला देश है। भारी जनसंख्या के कारण इस देश को समृद्ध बनाना कठिन काम है। हमें अपने जीवन के हर एक काम में अपने देश को ही सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता देना चाहिए। प्रिय दोस्तों, आज हम नेशनल फर्स्ट ऑलवेज फर्स्ट को अपने जीवन का मूल मंत्र बनाएं। जब कभी आप कोई वस्तु को खरीदने जाते हो तो यह देखें कि वह वस्तु भारत में बनी हो। चाहे वह छोटी से छोटी वस्तु क्यों न हो, वह मेड इन इंडिया हो। आज से हम प्रण लें कि हम पेट्रोल, गैस, बिजली जैसे ईंधन को ज़रूरत के हिसाब से देखभाल कर खर्च करेंगे। आज से जब भी मौका मिले तो किसी गरीब को पढ़ाएं, किसी को उपहार दे तो किताब या कोई पौधा ही दे, किसी को पैसे दे तो ऑनलाइन दे, कोई कपड़ा पहने तो हाथ से बना कपड़ा ही पहने। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ लगाएं, अपने आसपास तैयार होने वाली वस्तुओं का ही प्रयोग करें। वोकल फॉर लोकल और नेशनल फर्स्ट, ऑलवेज फर्स्ट ही हमारा नारा हो। एकजुटता और सहयोग से ही हम अपने देश को संपन्न और समृद्ध बना सकते हैं। जैसे कि गांधी जी ने कहा था, भविष्य इस बात पर निर्भर करता है कि हम वर्तमान में क्या करते हैं। इसीलिए हमें एक बेहतर कल के लिए अपने आज का उपयोग करना होगा। हमें आज यह वचन देना होगा कि हम अपनी ज़मीन को कभी नुकसान नहीं होने देंगे। हमें अपने देश को सर्वोपरि मानकर काम करना होगा। अब मैं इस गीत के साथ अपना भाषण समापन करूंगी। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सिलसिलाए बाद मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
नगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। इंसाफ की नगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। दुनिया में रंग सहना और कुछ न मुंह से कहना, दुनिया के रंग सहना और कुछ न मुंह से कहना। सच्चाइयों के बल पे आगे को बढ़ते रहना, सच्चाइयों के बल पे आगे को बढ़ते रहना। रख दोगे एक दिन तुम संसार को बदल के, रख दोगे एक दिन तुम संसार को बदल के। इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। अपने हो या पराए सबके लिए हो न्याय, अपने हो या पराए सबके लिए हो न्याय। देखो कदम तुम्हारा हरगिज न डगमगाए, देखो कदम तुम्हारा हरगिज न डगमगाए। रास्ते बड़े कठिन है चलना संभल संभल के, रास्ते बड़े कठिन है चलना संभल संभल के। इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। इंसानियत के सर पे इज्जत का ताज रखना, इंसानियत के सर पे इज्जत का ताज रखना। तन मन की भेंट देकर भारत की लाज रखना, तन मन की भेंट देकर भारत की लाज रखना। जीवन नया मिलेगा अंतिम चिता में जल के, जीवन नया मिलेगा अंतिम चिता में जल के। इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। नेता तुम ही हो कल के, नेता तुम ही हो कल के।
जय हिंद। आसमान में तिरंगा हमारा,
truly a melodious song, and in fact, we all teachers are in the same, are doing the same thing. I think all of us are putting a lot of effort to see that our children following the path of truth and non-violence, and hope we all succeed in making our students the best students. Great school leaders constantly pay attention. They build a culture focused on student learning. They inspire, support families, students, school and staff in ways that lead to improvement. A leader is one who lights the path to the impossible and takes those who follow to great heights. It is an honor to me to invite a pillar of strength and source of motivation, Ms. Aarti Jairam Pupala, to accept this request and speak a few words on the importance of this day. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, my colleague Padmavati ma'am, my dear teachers, students and the dearest parents. First of all, I would like to wish you all the very best and 75th Independence Day. I know the teachers are very much waiting for my facts. Usually for every national festival, I'll reveal few facts, unseen facts. So all the teachers are eagerly waiting because 26th I've already revealed, and Shreyan, I guess he was available on that day to listen that. So I'm again here with some amazing facts, unseen facts, which many of you people know, but the true sense you don't know, right? Yeah. See, as you know, 15th of August, we celebrate Independence Day, right? But as ma'am already told that the bill was passed on 4th of which month? July of 4th, right. But it was declared as 18th of July as an Independence Day. But there was one person behind that to shift this day to 15th of August to celebrate as Independence Day. The person behind that was Mountbatten. Mountbatten, who was the Viceroy during our independence at that situation. And his period of service during British rule was up till 30th of June 1948. You know, after independence also, there were many incidents. After it was being declared, there were many incidents and many, you can say there were many people who were under the fight. It's not the fight against the Britishers. It was internal fights were going on. So to just have a control of that, he has declared 15th of August as an Independence Day so that he can pass on all his power to first president. Who was the first president? Please come up, teachers. Who was the first president? What? Yes, and all his rights, all his duties has to be passed down, right? So he waited for that day. So one important thing you got to know, that it was declared in July, okay? But later on, Mr. Mountbatten, he is the Viceroy at that moment, he shifted it to 15th of August. He was the first Governor General after Independence Day. Of our independence, India, right? Okay, there's one more important thing which I wanted to tell you. You know, when we got independence and first Independence Day celebration, we had no national anthem. We had no national anthem. Our national anthem was first sung in 1950. In 1950. Who wrote national anthem? Pardon please? Yes, it was written by Rabindranath Tagore. His full name was Polymath Rabindranath Tagore. And he has written these words and named it as Bharato Bhagyo Vidata. Bharato Bhagya Vidata. This was the first wordings and the name of our national anthem. Later on, it was being adopted by our Constitution Assembly of India, and on 24th of January 1950 it was being passed that it should be our national anthem. Our national anthem duration period should be 52 seconds. Only 52 seconds. Okay? And another amazing thing, the fact, when we got independence, the main person behind this, everybody knows, was Mahatma Gandhi, right? But he was not present on the first Independence Day when there was a flag hoisting. He was not present over there. Do you know the reason behind that? Yes, actually, I'll tell you the reason. After independence also, our India and Pakistan was divided, right? Because it was divided and there were so many internal fights. And he was under hunger strike. Even after independence, he was on hunger strike. So he did not attend the Independence Day celebration. And one more thing I wanted to tell you about who hoisted the flag for the first time. Who hoisted the flag for the first time? Yes, that's true. Jawaharlal Nehru, right? He has hoisted the flag for 17 times. 17 times for the first time he has hoisted the flag. So is that okay? You want still more? Then in our regular meets, I'll reveal you many more as such facts, with unseen facts, which you people must and should know, and tell to your students. Let them be aware of many amazing facts as such, so that they'll be aware of all the GKs. I want all the teachers, as we have already passed on 26th these sort of facts to the children. Now on 15th of August, you people see that these amazing things, these facts should reach to children. They should know. Okay. And as ma'am already told about NEP, National Education Policy. And during our meeting, I've already informed you that the main intention behind NEP, National Education Policy, is about enriching and empowering about CBE. I guess teachers knows about it. CBE. What's the full form of CBE? Competency based. Yes? Education. That's correct. So here, now in this situation, NEP, during this pandemic situation, government has already decided, CBSE has already decided to have it into two different terms, right? So in these two different terms, the education has to be purely based on competency-based education, case-based studies, and abstract-based learning, give more importance to learning outcomes. Sitting at home, children might not know what is learning outcomes of each and everything. So I want all the teachers to pay more attention onto learning outcomes when you teach. And I'm sure that all the teachers are already focusing on to learning outcomes of the students. During this pandemic situation, I want you people to play a role of counselor also. To counsel your children, to focus more onto education, focus more onto moral ethics, focus more onto their self-analysis, which is very important at this situation, and build their self-confidence level, because they are sitting at home, no other options. So you have to build the confidence level of students. Self-confidence is very important at this situation wherein they are losing it. So I think so with this I'm going to end my speech. Once again, I would like to wish you all happy Independence Day. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बहुत आभार को सुनकर मेरे मन में प्रेरित होने के शब्द जाग उठे हैं। इतने कम समय में आपने डिजिटल को काफ़ी बढ़ावा दिया है। आपके नेतृत्व में हमारे पाठशाला की प्रगति होगी। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much, Aarti ma'am. We are all following whatever is being said, ma'am, and definitely you will see the seeds of success with the flying results of next 10th. जलते भी गए, गाते भी गए, आज़ादी के परवाने, जीना तो उसी का जीना है जो मरना वतन पे जाने. With these words, I would like to introduce the teachers of segment 2 to sing the patriotic song, "Ae Watan, Ae Watan." These words, the words of this song brings heartfelt patriotism to all of us and reminds us of the great sacrifices of legends like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and many more who fought for our freedom, which we are cherishing now. This song reinstates the fact that we Indians
आज़ादी के परवाने, जीना तो उसी का जीना है जो मरना वतन पे जाने.
हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जान तक लुटा जाएंगे. क्या चीज़ है तेरे कदमों पे हम भेंट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे. ए वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जान तक लुटा जाएंगे. ए वतन कोई पंजाब से, कोई महाराष्ट्र से, कोई यूपी से है, कोई बंगाल से. कोई पंजाब से, कोई महाराष्ट्र से, कोई यूपी से है, कोई बंगाल से. तेरी पूजा की थाली में लाए हैं हम, तेरी पूजा की थाली में लाए हैं हम. फूल हर रंग के आज हर डाल से, फूल हर रंग के आज हर डाल से. नाम कुछ भी सही पर लगन एक है, जोत से जोत दिल की जगा जाएंगे. ए वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जान तक लुटा जाएंगे. ए वतन जय हिंद.
से गीत का ना सरकार मेरी है, ना रौब मेरा है, ना बड़ा सा नाम मेरा है. मुझे तो एक छोटी सी बात का गौरव है, मैं हिंदुस्तान की हूँ और हिंदुस्तान मेरा है.
wonderful song. Now comes the much awaited moment. Can you guess what is the next program? Yes, it's now time to know the results of the Speak and Win competition which was held recently. Keep your fingers crossed and wait for the result. I now request the principal ma'am, Aarti ma'am, to kindly announce the results.
To announce the results of Speak and Win. So, prior announcing the result, I would like to announce the topics. Speech competition. For the speech competition, we have given a tagline as Speak and Win. For class 6th, there were 2 topics being selected: importance of freedom, favorite freedom fighter. For grade 7, we have chosen 2 topics: importance of Independence Day and favorite freedom fighter. For grade 8, the topics were a little typical. Topic 1 was why Desh Bhakti is underrated in today's world. Second topic was unsung heroes of Indian independence. For grade 9, should national anthem be played in cinema hall? Second topic, do we need another struggle to make India truly free? Struggle is different from others. These were the topics, and I'm happy to share many of the children, they participated in this and they really performed very well. But I really first of all congratulate all the students who participated in that and given their best performance. all of them were really very good. And judgment was really very tough for the jury members. But at last, only 3 has to come out. Maybe there was just difference between 1 or 2 marks is what they have scored. So class 10th result I'll announce first. First place goes to G. Tanishka, 10th C. Second position to G. Kiran Kumar, 10th C. Third position Jayalata, 10th A. Now class 9th result. Srinidhi, class 9th A. Deepanjali, 9th A, and third position Likhit Sai. Now grade 8 result. O. Krishna Tejashwini, 8B. Srivatsa, 8A. P. Bhavesh, 8B, the third position. Now grade 7. It's really very typical. There are 8 children who are awesome and really a very good competitor. So in first position we have 4 children and second position 3 students. So first position Bhashit Nawaz Khanam, B. Namrata, T. Sri Ram, Tanmay. These are the first students. Second position Imran Ali, V. Arohi, Mehreen Fatima and Ashrit Konda. These are the children who selected. We have no third position in grade 7 because already 8 students were being selected. Now grade 6 result. Rishikesh Yadav and Prajwal. 2 students secured first position. Sahasra, second position. Maiza Momal, third position. I appreciate all the people and I thank all the jury members who have taken strain and have given their judgment fairly. Thank you very much to one and all. And the prizes for this. They we call all the students over here to distribute the prizes. Please be awaiting for that. Thank you.
तिरंगे के 3 रंग है महान। केसरिया देश की शक्ति और साहस को दर्शाता है। श्वेत शांति और सत्य को प्रतीक करता है। हरा वृद्धि और भूमि की पवित्रता को दर्शाता है। अशोक चक्र जीवन गतिशील है और रुकने का अर्थ है मृत्यु। ऐसे समय में आपसे हमसे जुड़ने के लिए और आपके इस प्यार और सम्मान के लिए बहुत बहुत आभार, धन्यवाद। माननीय मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी को बड़ा ही आभार और आदरणीय शिक्षकगणों को मेरी ओर से धन्यवाद, जिसके बिना विद्यालय अधूरा है। अभिभावक माता पिताओं को भी मेरी ओर से बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद, जिनका योगदान इस कारण हमें उन्हें तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करने का अवसर मिला है। धन्यवाद।
Program, honorable directors, principal ma'am, teachers, parents, supporting staff, and my dear children. I sincerely feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose the vote of thanks. I am proud to be an Indian and I take pride in my Indian identity as we are the best. It was an amazing program. Firstly, I would like to thank the management for taking out the time and coming here for the occasion. Thank you very much, sirs and ma'ams. I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, Padmavati Madam and Aarti Ma'am for giving me this opportunity to host the program. You are indeed a very great motivation for me, ma'am. Thank you. I now like to thank all my colleagues who have put in their effort to make this program a success. In spite of your hectic work, all of you have come together, coordinated and did your best. Kudos to all of you. Thank you very much. I would like to thank all the parents who have supported us by encouraging the children to participate in the various competitions. A big thanks to all the parents and to all the children. A heartfelt thanks to all the supporting staff and who did not go back on doing any work assigned to them. I would also like to thank Santoshi ma'am and Anita ma'am who contributed a lot in making this event successful technically. Thank you one and all for giving your valuable time and spending the day here. I hope we are all going to go with very good memories in our heart that in spite of this pandemic we have gathered here and we have celebrated virtually. We are proud to celebrate the 75th anniversary, Independence anniversary, and hope we'll meet for many more occasions also. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I hope you go with a lot of patriotism in your hearts and mind and spread it out to your neighbors and to your friends also. Thank you very much.